Murivenna is one of those few formulations that have diverse therapeutic effects like wound healing and pain relieving properties. It has been a trusted remedy in Ayurveda for centuries. The innovative Murivenna Balm by AVP carries all the virtues of traditional oil along with the added benefits of natural beeswax. AVP's Murivenna Balm, with its superior blend of cooling herbs, is an innovative way to support the natural healing and soothe the delicate skin. Compared to other balms or Ayurvedic pain balms that have mineral oil as the base with other synthetic ingredients, the AVP's Murivenna Balm is an excellent choice because it contains the goodness of pure coconut oil with other 9 essential herbs. Murivenna Balm is potentiated with excellent herbs like aloe vera, pearl onion, etc., which helps in superficial tissue damage and wound repair. It also helps in reducing the burning sensation and blister formation in unfortunate incidents like burns and soft tissue damage. And the spill-free, easy-to-carry format combines the traditional wisdom with the modern manufacturing techniques to deliver fast healing.